What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's a Forex that is Zambia's finest bliss $1 billion. And of course, today is day 13 of trading with the robot. So far, we have generated an income of 3,831.61 in just 12 days. Today being 13th day, we're going to now adjust and go to July. It's a month of July. So July the 1st. July the 1st, okay, to July the 2nd. Let's see how much was made on this day. So it seems like on this day it was a weekend and the robot didn't trade, so we're going to pass and go to July the 2nd to July the 3rd. Let's see. Okay, so on this day we can see the robot made 333.40 runs, thereby giving us a total of from June 19th, right? From June 19th to July the 3rd, giving us a total of 4,165.01, right? This is just in 13 days. This is literally like somebody's salary, right? Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I'm excited that I'm undertaking this challenge, and let's see how much we're going to make at the end of the challenge. Otherwise, if you're not following me, consider that you follow me, and so that you're updated on how this robot is going to work.